tracking us, if you've been following our programs, we have been praying for this country, and we've been making public prophetic declarations with regards to the destiny of this nation. I remember very, very, very clearly when we launched the Christian Vote campaign, we did pray that God will cause chaos, God will cause confusion, He will blow the wind of confusion in the camp of the opponents of God's social, economic, and political justice agenda. And so God has just done that, and God has actually raised people within the system to be able to deal with the system. God has used, I believe very strongly, some of the dark instruments to be able to unseat and to unsettle dark institutions. So this is what God does. And when you read in the Word of God, I mean, it is very, very familiar. You have a situation where you would have certain nations that would rise against the people of God, actually fighting against themselves. And so this is what we have seen. So we have seen chaos happening within the ruling establishment, and we have witnessed order and peace, coordination among the masses of Zimbabwe, which is a clearest indication that the violence that we have witnessed happening in earlier demonstrations have been triggered by the security forces, which this time around, they were not in a position to do that. I mean, the police were suppressed, the army were for the people. In courts, of course, they wait for that particular project. So, it is very clear that the violence that we've always witnessed has been caused not by people.